Do you want to add your GoDaddy email to your iPhone, but you're not sure how to do it, and may be stuck with confusing settings? You're not alone. Your email setup can be tricky with all those options and steps. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the easiest step-by-step way to add your GoDaddy email to your iPhone. Even if you're a complete beginner, also, if you need any help at any point of time, then call our experts at the numbers on the screen. Let's get started. For the first step, tap on the settings icon on your iPhone home screen. After that, you need to choose the account options in Mail. Next, you're required to choose the Add Account option. On the next prompt, you should choose the Other option. Next, you should choose the Add Mail Account option. Now, it is time to type the details into your specified section. Once that's done, you need to tap on the Next option on the top right side. After that, you should ensure the Mail toggle is on in the next screen. Finally, tap on the Save button and you're good to go.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.